Students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study parts of speech, same words and different parts of speech. Explanation of a single word and how it behaves like an adverb, a preposition, an adjective, or a noun. In the English language, words can be considered as the smallest elements that have distinctive meaning. That this means that every word has a different meaning than the other, and then later on you will learn that every word changes its meaning according to its usage. Based on their use and functions, words are categorized into several types or parts of speech. There are 8 major parts of speech in English language and English grammar. These are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. We have all read about each of them in previous chapters, but I'll repeat every definition with you. Now, a noun is a naming word. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. A verb is an action word or verb of being, showing presence. An adverb is a word which describes a verb. An adjective is a word which describes a noun. A conjunction is a word which joins two phrases or two clauses or two small sentences to make a bigger sentence or a meaningful sentence. And another thing is, conjunction is always said to be a joining word. Preposition is a word which shows the relation between two nouns or the relationship between a noun and a verb and with the rest of the parts of speech. And interjection is a word which shows extreme happiness, extreme sadness, or surprise. Always remember that it is the function or use that determines to which part of speech a word belongs in a given sentence. See how a word can be used in different parts of speech. Now, the first word is above. Basically, the meaning of above is anything on the upper side. But here, adverb see above. As a preposition, the moral law is above the civil law. As an adjective, analyze the above sentence. Which sentence? The sentence that has been written above. As a preposition, the moral law is above the civil law. Third part is noun. Our blessings come from above. Now here above is being used as from God. Next word is after. As an adverb, they arrived soon after. Now they arrived soon is the action, and here the action is being explained by the word after, and then it says they arrived soon after. Next is as a preposition, he takes after his father. As a conjunction, we went away, they had left. Now these are two. This is a sentence, complete sentence. We went away, they had left is a phrase, and after is joining them. We went away after they had left. Now the next word is all. All men are mortal. As an adjective, it was all profit and no loss. Here, all men are being described as all. How many? All of them are mortal. It was all profit and no loss. Next is as an adverb, he was all alone when I saw him. Next, as a pronoun, all spoke in his favor. Now here all is for all the people that were around. As a noun, he lost his all in speculation. Everything that he had was lost in speculation. Next word is as. First, its usage as an adverb. We walked as fast as we could. Here, the fastness of the person is being described by the word as, and this is the action. Next is conjunction. As he was poor, I helped him. Relative pronoun. She likes the same color as I do. Now here is the comparison. Next word is about. As an adverb, they wandered about the town. As a preposition, there was something affable about him. Any. As an adjective, have you got any pens? Adverb, is he any better? Now his condition is being described by the word better. Next word is back. As a noun, I have a pain in the back. Back is the place where the pain is occurring. Adverb, I will come back in a minute. Here the action coming back is being described by the word back. Adjective. Have you closed the back door? Which door? The back door. Verb. He backed his car through the gate. Now he did something, an action, and that was his backing up his car. Next word is better. As an adjective, I think yours is a better plan. Description of the plan. Adverb. You know better. His knowing is being explained as being better. Noun. Give place to your betters, those who are better than you. Verb. She bettered her performance in stage. Now here bettered is being used as an action word. Next is the word but. As an adverb, it is but right to admit our faults. Preposition. None but the brave deserve the fear. Conjunction. We tried hard but did not succeed. Next word is down. As an adverb, down went the royal princess. Preposition. The fire engine came rushing down the hill. As an adjective, the porter was killed by the down train. Noun. He has seen the ups and downs of life. Now the word enough. As an adjective, there is time enough to submit the project. As an adverb, you know well enough what I mean. Noun. I have had enough of this. Then the word is except. Children under 5 are expected from the survey. Preposition. All will stand in a queue except senior citizens. Conjunction. He knows nothing about her except that she is young and beautiful. Next word is less. As an adjective, you are paying less attention to your studies. Adverb. The soil of Sindh is less fertile than that of Punjab. Noun. He wants 100 rupees for the CD. He won't be satisfied with less. Next word is like. As an adjective, they are men of like build and stature. Preposition. Do not talk like that. Noun. Can I get a like to my status on Facebook? Verb. Children like sweets. Next word is much. As an adjective, there is much sense in what he says. As a pronoun, much of it is true. Adverb. He boasts too much. Now the next word is near. As an adverb, draw near and listen. Come near and listen. Preposition. His house is near the temple. Explanation of the place where the temple is and where the house is. Adjective. He is a near relation. His relationship is being explained by the word near. Verb. The time nears. The action is the nearing of the time. Next word is needs. Now as a noun, my needs are few. The requirements that I have are few. Verb. It needs to be done with care. The action has to be done carefully. Adverb. It must needs to be so. Next word is neither. As a conjunction, give me neither poverty nor riches. As an adjective, neither accusation is true. Pronoun. It is difficult to negotiate where neither will trust. Next word is next. As an adjective, I will see you next Monday. As an adverb, what next? As a preposition, he was sitting next to her. As a noun, I will tell you more about it in my next. Next word is no. As an adjective, it is no joke. As an adverb, he is no more. As a noun, I will not take no. Next word, once. Once as an adverb, I was young once. Conjunction. Once he hesitates, we have him. As a noun, please help me for once. Next word is only. As an adjective, it was his only chance. As an adverb, he was only foolish. Conjunction. Take what I have, only let me go. Next word is right. As a verb, that is a fault that will right itself. As an adjective, he is the right man for the position. As a noun, the right need not far. As an adverb, it serves him right. The word that's coming up is round. Adjective, a square peg in a round hole. Noun, the evening was a round of pleasure. Here it is as a noun. Next is as an adverb, he came round to their belief. As a preposition, the earth revolves round the sun. As a verb, we shall round the cape in safety. Next word is since. Since as a preposition, since the day I have not seen him. As a conjunction, Akbar hasn't phoned since he went to Lahore. As an adverb, I have not seen him since. Now the word is some. Some as an adjective, we must find some way out of it. As a pronoun, some say one thing and others another. As an adverb, some 30 chiefs were present. Next word is still. With his name, the mothers still their babies. As an adjective, still waters run deep. As a noun, her sobs could be heard in the still of the night. As an adverb, they stood still in wonder. Then the next word is that. As a demonstrative adjective, what is that noise? As a demonstrative pronoun, that is what I want. As an adverb, I have done that much only. As a relative pronoun, the evil that men do lives after them. Next word is up. As an adverb, she put the photo album up on the highest shelf. As a preposition, my friend lives just up the road. As an adjective, the next up train will leave here at 12:30. As a noun, they had their ups and downs of fortune. Next word is well. As an adjective, I hope you are well. As an adverb, well begun is half done. As an interjection, well, who would have thought it? Next word is what. As an interrogative adjective, what evidence do you have? As an interjection, what, you don't mean to say so. Interrogative pronoun, what does he want? Relative pronoun, give me what you can. What happened then? I do not know. The next word is while. As a noun, sit down and rest a while, for a little while. Verb, they while away their evenings with books and games. As a conjunction, while a great poet, he is a great novelist. Next word is why. As an interrogative adverb, why did you do it? As a relative adverb, I know the reason why he did it. Interjection, why it is surely Naveed. Now I hope you understood these sentences, and hopefully when we start our exercises you'll be able to do them too. What part of speech is each of the words in italics? There is much truth in what he says. Now here the word much is being used as an adverb, is explaining the truth. Much cry and little wool, don't boast too much. Little learning is a dangerous thing. Several men were standing about. After the storm comes the calm. The after effects of potash bromide are bad. He went after I came. The minstrels follow after. Now here these sentences are either being used as prepositions, then adverbs. All you have to do is just understand the basic definitions, and then the understanding of the sentences is very easy. I hope you've understood parts of speech again. This lesson is a little difficult, but we'll repeat. I'll make another video in which explanation of each word will come, so that you can know the usage of each word as an adverb, preposition, adjective, noun, preposition or conjunction. Hopefully this lesson was informative. Please like and subscribe our channel.